The resistance band pull apart is a brilliant exercise for the muscles of the upper back. It's also a great exercise to use as a warm-up, especially when doing pressing exercises that require stability in the shoulders. First, take a resistance band. Usually a light to medium resistance band would be good. 41-inch resistance band is used in this video here. So you take the band, arms are extended, maybe a slight bend at the elbow with your arms out in front, and then you pull from the shoulder blades, squeezing the shoulder blades together from there. You can perform an isometric contraction there as demonstrated by Mike, or you can perform high repetitions, usually in the range between 10 and 20 repetitions will be sufficient to warm up the muscles. A common error on this exercise is to extend from the elbows using the triceps, instead of using the rhomboids to retract the shoulder blades together, as demonstrated by Mike here. Imagine trying to hold a ball between the shoulder blades. You can even use a partner or your personal trainer's fingertips in order to cue this action. It's then important to bring the hands back together under control without allowing the band to snap back in. The muscles of the upper back can often become weak due to long periods of being seated. The band pull apart helps to strengthen these muscles and improve posture.